Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial of this look. It is a neutral eye using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and a bright blue eyeliner. I'm really liking how this turned out, and I think it is a perfect look for day or evening, and it is a very fresh glowy look as well. So it's perfect for the summertime with a pop of color, and you can change the blue into green or whatever color you wish to. So if you're interested to see how you get this look, please keep on watching. Firstly, doing my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hill Brow Pencil. I am then gonna go in with the Too Faced primer, and I primed my skin. And then now I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. This was the first time I'm using it, and I really enjoyed the finish. Going in with the MAC Select concealer, I'm just adding a little extra coverage on the places where I need to. I really enjoyed how this foundation wore throughout the day, and I think it was a really nice finish, more on the matte side. Going with the NARS Creamy Concealer, I'm just concealing my under eyes. This is my go-to concealer, so I'm blending it all in as well as I can. Now I'm gonna bronze up my skin with this Chanel Soleil de Tan bronzer and just blending it all where the sun would naturally hit and warming up my face. Now I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, but I forgot to show. I then went in with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in rose gold, highlighting the high points of my face. Now going in with the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, I first deepened up my crease with the shade Puree, just blending it in very well so it creates a nice gradient base for the rest of the eye makeup. Now I'm going in with the shade Luscious all over my eyelid. This is a beautiful neutral shade and gives a beautiful glow. I love this color to create a natural glowing look. Just blending the two together. I'm just adding the shade Puree on my lower lash line as well. I'm then going in with the shade Nectar to highlight my inner corners, and then again with the shade Summer Yum, which is a slightly more reddish warm brown on the outer corner. I went in with the shade Nectar to Peaches and Cream just to blend the shade Puree up to my brow bone. Setting in with my brows after I added a blush, I think. I set in the brows with the Rimmel Brow Gel in clear, and now I'm adding the Marc Jacobs blue eyeliner on my lower lash line. I'm just lining my upper lash line with a kohl pencil. It's Maybelline Kajal, Colossal Kajal. I like to sometimes use a pencil liner and just blend it out slightly so it creates a more natural but still gives it a nice definition. Just blending in the blue liner slightly so with the um, puree shade so it all works well together. I also just added a bit of the Talk Derby to Me shade on the black eyeliner because I thought it'll just soften things out, and I added a blue mascara, a blue Marc Jacobs mascara, which just gave the look a little bit more color along with the blue eyeliner. So I really built the mascara up so it could give as much color as possible. After this, I'm just gonna go in with a MAC lipstick in Shy Girl and top it up with a MAC Dazzle Glass in Lightly Prancing. I completely forgot to set my face, so I'm doing that with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and you can like and subscribe. And you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram as Makeup Diaries by Sukrita. Thanks guys. Bye till next time.